How to control your phone remotely. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store and then simply search for AirDroid app. Download AirDroid app. After you've downloaded the app, simply open the app. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on sign in or sign up. I don't have an account, so I'll simply click on sign up. You can also sign in with Google, Facebook, or Twitter. I have signed in with Google. Simply add password as username and mail is already done. And then they will send you verification on your Gmail. Simply add the code and verify it. After that, go to transfer and then click on my computer. Or simply click on add device, install AirDroid app on another phone. After you've done that, you can sign in and then go back to my devices on this device and refresh it. You can remotely access your phone from here. This is how to control your phone remotely. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.